Hello students, welcome to George Biology. In today's session, we are going to discuss about a very important topic, that is how to score 360 out of 360 in biology. A new academic year has been started and most of the students, they have started their NEET preparation. So here I am going to detail about 5 simple steps which are required for getting good result in the NEET exam. Number 1. Believing yourself. The very important aspect that you have to believe yourself when you are giving your preparation. There will be n number of difficulties which a student will be facing, especially the people who are taking long term. Looking at their past performance, looking at their lower scores which they have got earlier, they will not be confident about themselves, or else they will have different doubts after starting the program, whether they will be able to do it or not. But the very important thing is you have to believe yourself. Nothing happens in a magic. Nothing happens in one go. It requires good number of efforts. If you believe yourself and if you give your preparation properly by good planning and all, by avoiding all the deviations, definitely it is possible for you and you can do it and you can improve your result. I will give you a very good example. Mendel, who is actually a mathematician and a church priest. His profession is different and his subject is different. But by tremendous efforts and multiple experiments, he became a father of genetics. Now, if it is possible for him, it is definitely possible for us. He doesn't know what is gene. He doesn't know what are alleles. The terminology was not yet introduced by his time, even though he became a father of genetics. But we know what is gene, we know what are alleles, we know what is mitosis, what is meiosis and all. It means our basics are cleared when compared to Mendel. Now, if it is possible for him, definitely it is possible for us. So first thing, you have to remember that you have to believe yourself that you can do it. Number 2, understanding that most of the questions are from Ncrt. Now this is also one of the important aspects which every NEET aspirant has to understand. Most of the questions from last many years, they are coming from Ncrt only. It might be more than 95% of questions are getting asked from Ncrt. There will be slight twists and turns, but the flavor that will be of Ncrt sense. If you are taking +1 syllabus, in the +1 Ncrt of biology, you might be having more than 250 pages. In the +2 biology also, you can find more than 250 pages in the biology aspect. Altogether, it can reach up to 500 to 600 pages. If your preparation has started today and if you are having NEET exam in the month of June and July, you will get more than 200 days for your preparation. In that case, if you are completing 3 pages per day throughout your preparation in a slow basis also, you will be able to complete the Ncrt very comfortably. And moreover, just reading the Ncrt is not sufficient. You have to read the Ncrt by understanding the lines and understanding the meaning between the lines. Number 3, understanding the lines and meaning between the lines of Ncrt. Now, how this can be achieved? First thing, you have to listen to the lectures. You might be joined in any of the institute, whatever it may be, right? Any of the institute. You have started your preparation, or else you are giving your self-preparation, or else you are getting preparation from YouTube channels or anything, any online platform it might be. First, listen to the lectures. After listening to the lectures, read the Ncrt right away. After reading the Ncrt, what you have understood, make it as a flowchart if possible. Or else, to simplify that one better, try to use certain codes or mnemonics or flowcharts or tables or sticky notes that can be made right away in the Ncrt at the same time. So that when you are going for your revision, that will be easy for revising the important aspects. Now you have read the Ncrt and you made some mnemonics, you made some codes and all. Now what you have to do, you have to apply this one in solving the questions. When you are solving the questions of Ncrt liners, many a times your subject will be improvised. your understanding will be improvised. You can understand what is there in between the lines of NCRT. So solving the questions is important to understand the lines and meaning between the lines of NCRT so that you can understand its question application also. The fourth aspect, sandwich preparation. The fourth aspect and fifth aspect are together combined. So we'll take in a sequence. Now what is this sandwich preparation? It has 3 layers. 2 layers will be of same type. 1 layer will be having different materials. The same way here also. You're reading at the first, you're reading the NCRT and you're reading the materials also. Then you are going to attend the exam. That will be the middle layer. After writing the exam, what are the questions that you did wrong? Now these questions, wherever you did wrong, such question topics, such error topics, you have to read it once again after the exam. It means how the procedure goes on. Reading, writing the exam, reading again. What you have to read again? The topics where you did mistakes. So those things you have to read it again. Now that will be the sandwich preparation, so that what happens here, every exam will be properly, you can clear it there itself. So that if you get any question in the next exam from the similar topic, you will not do those mistakes again and again. And the last and the most important aspect, that is intensive error analysis. If you have taken a question paper, if you have attended, so for example, you have completed cell topic. After completing the cell topic, you have attended some questions. It might be a weekly test, it might be a part test, it might be a term test, whatever it may be. In that one, you have did 10 wrongs. 10 wrongs are gone. There are totally 50 questions are there. You did 10 wrongs. What you have to do after the exam then? These 10 wrongs whichever are there, like a one-liners, the topics has to be written in a book. And that book is called as error book. Now in that error book, for example, you have did a wrong in glycolysis topic. You have to revise that glycolysis topic after the exam. Now further, if you are getting any question from that topic, you will not do the mistake again. Now that is how you are doing your error analysis. Now here, why the paper has to be treated as a friend? Why? Because a paper will tell you properly what are your weaker areas. Array, you did 10 wrongs in this paper. It means you are weak in that 10 topic areas. So immediately after going home, start preparing those things. That is how the paper will tell you. The paper will detail you your weaker areas. If you know your weaker areas, you can strengthen those weaker areas by giving a sandwich preparation. For example, you have taken cell topic. From the cell topic, you have attended a question paper where it consists of 50 questions and you have did 10 wrongs. 10 topics you are revising there. See, we are not reading the question. We are not rectifying the question. We are reading the topic from which this question has been given. So you are rectifying that question. Like that 10 questions you did, you have attended 2 more exams there. Again, you did 10 or 15 questions of wrong there. You have rectified it. And all these things you are making a note of it in a book. It means overall, whatever the exams you have attended for cell topic, let's say 3 or 4 exams, in every exam, if 10 or 15 questions are gone wrong, all those questions you are making an error copy. Now in that error copy, you will find more than 40 questions which you have did wrong. Here, the error copy should be taken very positively. All the 40 topics you have rectified. In such a way you have to think. Now suddenly there is an exam that is going to be conducted for you tomorrow. What you have to do then? Today what you have to do? Take the error copy, all those error question areas of topics you complete it and you attend the exam. So that your errors will not be appeared again and again. Like that, every exam throughout the year you have to try to do this. Like that, every chapter has to be done. So that from every chapter, what are your weaker areas, you will understand it. After every 3 months or 2 months, read those error topic areas along with your normal revision. And all your errors will be in your hand before the NEET exam. And before 1 month of NEET exam, just go through all those things. So that never ever these mistakes will be appeared in the NEET exam. All the best for your NEET preparation. If you have found this one useful, Please subscribe the channel and like, share and comment. Thank you.